Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching my live show Musings with Software Engineers. If you're new, then subscribe to this channel because on this channel I share ideas, insight, tools and tactics. So if you're new and want to grow fast in the software industry, then subscribe now and press the bell icon so that you get all the updates. I'm working as a front-end developer in Delhi, having experience of 1 year and 7 months. My last CTC was 2.4, 2 lakh 4,000 and now 2 lakh 40,000. I'm totally depressed. How can I grow like that? Okay. So Mohit, see, first thing you have to understand is 95% of any professional in the software industry starts at an average salary which goes from anywhere between 2 lakhs per annum to 3.5 lakhs per annum. 95%. Only 5%, just 5% of software engineers get high paying jobs right as a fresher. Okay. Now, in your case, maybe you have joined a company which is giving you 2 lakhs per annum as the initial salary. And if you think about it, in the first year and 7 months, 2 lakh 40,000. So maybe I don't know how much percentage it is, but is it around 20%? 20% hike you got. Okay. But you will see that software company hikes are very nominal. It is between 10 to 12%. Okay. And in the last year, 2020 and 2019 and 2020, okay, because of the pandemic, companies actually did not give any kind of promotion, and companies used the pandemic as a reason not to give promotions. So there has been no raise in salary. Okay, for a lot of software engineers, more than 80% of software engineers would not have got any kind of raise. Okay, few companies did appraisals, few companies did uh, give some salaries. Okay, but if you want to break out from this, if you want to come out of this problem where your salary is not increasing, okay, then I have been telling everybody, one, you need to focus on four p's. Okay, the first is your potential. Okay, you have to define what goals you want to achieve and then you have to start achieving those goals. Don't just depend on your company to achieve goals for you. You have your own goals. You have your own goals for income. Okay, and when you have a goal for an income, you have to think about what is going to give you that income. It is your work that is going to give you the income. Okay, it is the technology in which you are working that is going to give you the income. So you will have to work on those areas. You will have to, if you are a Java programmer, then you will have to become some of the best Java programmers so that if you have to leave this company and join a better company, you can go and join just on the basis of your interview and just on the basis of your knowledge. Okay, when you do that, only then your salary will increase. Okay, so you have to increase your potential. You have to increase your prowess means expertise. What is your expertise of building an application? What is your expertise of understanding the domain in which you are working? What is your expertise of your communication? How good you are in speaking well, or how good you are in writing your emails well, how good you are in overall communication with everyone around, which is required to make any kind of a software application, how good you are in communication with your client. Okay, so prowess is very important. The third P is performance. Performance is absolutely how did you perform at work? Whatever work was given, did you do it in such a way that your manager is really happy with your performance, okay, or at least you are happy with your performance. Did you do it in a way that at every time you delivered something, it was way better than what was expected from you? Okay, so then there, that is the performance P. And then fourth is your personality. How do you talk to your manager? How do you talk to your colleagues? How do you connect with your customers? Okay, clients. If you're not directly handling clients, then your customer is your project manager, or your customer is your colleagues, or your customer is the company in which you are working. Okay, how well did you show your personality? What is your plan for future? Okay, and I because I understand, I've spent 25 years in the software industry, and I understand this clearly, okay, that software industry works on what you call a bell curve. Bell curve means only 20% of employees within a software company will get very good salary increases or promotions. Only 20%. Okay, rest 70% will get average increase, and 10% will not get any increase, or there are chances that they will be fired from the company. And the reason is that there is so much of supply in the software industry that companies can easily get somebody else to do the work if the person who is doing the work is not doing it in the right way. Okay, so then it depends on us to become a better version of ourselves in such a way that you can demand the salary raises, that you work in such a way that your company says, we cannot lose this person, we cannot lose Mohit Kumar, because he's working in such a way that if we lose him, we are going to lose a lot of business along with him. Okay, the easiest way to increase your salary is do more than what you are paid for, and you will start getting paid more than what you are doing. That is a simple formula, and that's why I built this program. You will find the links in the description. I'll put the links in the description, which is how to become an A player in your industry. Okay, it is not about programming and all. I'm not teaching programming. I'm only teaching you principles. There are about 16 principles, 20 videos, 22 videos, but I'm teaching these 16 principles which you need to follow. Okay, and slowly you need to incorporate these principles. Slowly you need to learn these habits so that you become an A player. Then whether you work in the same company or you change the company, you will always get good salary hikes. Okay, unless you are somebody who's really strong in technology and all, you will not get really good hikes if you do not follow these principles, or if you're not understanding how to work in a certain manner. Okay, it's like this, that every cricketer, before they join a cricket team, they have a coach. Why do they have a coach? Because the coach shows them what to do, what not to do, how to play, what kind of different bowlings are there, and how to handle various things within cricket. That is the job of the coach. And what I am doing with how to become an A player in the software industry is that I am showing you as a coach what are the things that are working in the software industry, which technology is only 20%. If you are the best technical brains, okay, there is a limit to how much salary you can get. Okay, and that limit is decided by your experience, that limit is decided by the technology itself. Okay, because at the end of the day, whatever you are doing is a teamwork, whatever you are doing. So there will be like 10 Java programmers to build one application. If one of them goes, he can be easily replaced by somebody else. Okay, so that is the nature of the software industry. When this is the nature, you have to become somebody. Okay, you have to become an A player who gets that benefit And it does not matter whether in this company or any other company. Even when you change the company, you should get really good hikes, not 30% at this level. Like currently your salary, let's say 2,40,000, with 2 years experience, you should aim for getting a 5 lakh salary, and you should plan in such a way that within the next 3 to 6 months, what can you do for yourself so that you can get to that salary level. And that is all dependent on the way you work and the way you present yourself, which will make you possible to get that salaries. Okay, so you have to work on that, Mohit. And if you work on that 100%, things will work for you. Okay, I hope you understand most of it. If you don't understand, you go back to this same video and watch this again, this segment, and try to see what I'm trying to say, and you will get it. I really hope that this session it helps everybody who joins this session. So the most important part to do is subscribe to my channel. Also check the description of this video for my course on how to become A players. Thank you very much and see you on the next live.